If you're excited about the innovative new features of iOS 17 revealed at WWDC 33, it's not uncommon to want the iOS 17 beta version on your iPhone now. However, as with most pre-release versions, you might face stability issues, poor performance, and other problems. So if you want to move back to the stable iOS 16 on your phone, here's the ultimate guide. Read on to learn how to uninstall iOS 17 and downgrade from iOS 17 to 16. What you must do before downgrading from iOS 17 to 16. You might lose data when you downgrade from iOS 17 to iOS 16. So it's best to back up all data before removing iOS 17 from your iPhone. Then, you can restore your data later. You will need a Mac or a Windows computer for backing up data. And if you have a Windows PC, you must also install iTunes on it. 1. Backup data with iCloud before downgrading from iOS 17 to 16. iCloud is one way you can downgrade from iOS 17 to 16 without a computer. You just need a stable internet connection. Open Settings on your iPhone. Choose your device's name and then choose iCloud. Under iCloud Backup, enable the automatic backup option. Then, tap on Backup Now to back up your iPhone. 2. Backup data with iTunes before downgrading from iOS 17 to 16. You can automatically back up your device's data using iTunes. However, if you have a PC, you'll first need to install iTunes on it. Connect your iPhone to your Mac or PC. Open iTunes and click on your phone icon. In summary, under Backups, click the Backup Now button. And iTunes will back up your phone to your computer. How to downgrade from iOS 17 to 16 with a computer. There are two main methods for downgrading iOS 17 to 16 using a computer. You can downgrade iOS 17 to 16 if you had installed iOS 17 beta using iTunes. You can use iTunes again to remove iOS 17. However, you can also use the professional third-party tool Tenorshare Reiboot to downgrade from iOS 17 to 16. How to downgrade from iOS 17 to 16 without losing data. Tenorshare Reiboot for Mac and Windows is a great iOS system best repair and recovery tool. It offers you a free way to fix iPhone, iPad, or Mac stuck in recovery mode with only one click. With over 78 million downloads worldwide and 63 million satisfied customers, Reiboot is what you need to easily downgrade from iOS 17 to 16 without losing data. Why choose Tenorshare Reiboot? Reiboot offers several innovative features that make it easy to use, without a technician's help. Enter or exit recovery mode for free in one click. Repair over 150 iOS, iPadOS, and tvOS system problems, like stuck on the Apple logo, the screen won't turn on, recovery mode loop, and more. Easily update to the latest iOS 17 beta. Downgrade from iOS 17 beta to the previous version without jailbreak. Repair and downgrade the macOS system, and also upgrade it in minutes for free. Reset iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch without iTunes or Finder. Repair iPhone or iTunes errors like 4013/4005 with simple clicks. Supports all iOS versions and devices, including the latest iOS 17 beta and all iPhone 14 models. How to use Reiboot to go back to iOS 16 from iOS 17 without iTunes, no data loss. You can trust Reiboot to go back to iOS 16 from iOS 17 without iTunes. Let's explore how to easily and smoothly downgrade iOS 17 to 16 on your iPhone. Reiboot will automatically downgrade iOS 17 to 16 and install the stable iOS version on your device. How to go back to iOS 16 from iOS 17 with iTunes. If you installed the iOS 17 beta using iTunes, you can use iTunes again to downgrade iOS 17 to 16. Connect your device to the computer and launch iTunes. Select your device icon in iTunes. On the Summary page, under your Phones tab, click the Restore iPhone button. iTunes will download and install the latest stable iOS version on your device. However, using iTunes means resetting your phone and losing data if you haven't backed it up. Moreover, this solution can take some time, even a couple of hours. Also, many users find using iTunes to remove iOS 17 complicated as some steps are difficult and need some technical knowledge. How to downgrade iOS 17 to 16 without a computer. If you want to know how to remove iOS 17 without using a computer, you can do it via settings on your iPhone. You can also downgrade from iOS 17 to 16 without using a computer. You can do this via the settings on your iPhone. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Look for VPN and Device Management and tap it. Tap on the iOS 17 beta software profile. Select Remove Profile and confirm your selection. Restart your device. After your iPhone restarts, it won't be running iOS 17 beta. It will revert to the latest stable version of iOS. Choosing Tenorshare Reiboot to downgrade from iOS 17 to 16. You can choose iTunes to downgrade from iOS 17 to 16 if you're confident and technically savvy to carry out its steps. But if you want an alternative option, Reiboot lets you downgrade from iOS 17 to 16 without data loss in a few clicks. Take the Reiboot free trial now to discover its unmatched advantages. And ensure a smooth transition back to the stable iOS 16.